Yes, a great good evening and happy new year to Nigerians and ever conscious Edo people. I remain my humble self, your noble right activist. Comrade Stanius Azosa Holding. Please, 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 if you are watching me now, just click on the share button. Please, and invite your friends. It's going to be an interactive session. Please, it will not be difficult for you to click on the share button and as well invite your friend to be part of our discourse this evening. A very big happy new year to you all. By the power of God Almighty, we are still talking today, not because of our strength or our might. It's as a result of the magnanimity of our ubiquitous God, who have decided to allow us remain alive despite our sinful tendency. So please invite your friends. I must confess to the fact that I have been in a big shock since morning. Messages from all corners, text messages, WhatsApp messages, Facebook messages. In fact, series of calls. Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year. I think with what I saw today, I owe Edo people a lot. A lot. Now we are in 2021. Last year, some few hours ago, not up to 24 hours now, but last year, we never have the thought in our mind that the love that the people will share to us in the new year will be overwhelming. I never had such thoughts in my mind. You need to see my WhatsApp. In fact, I've not been able to reply so many of these messages, so numerous to mention. But what I want to say here is very simple. I received your message in good faith. I also congratulate you. It's not easy for you to see the year 2021. To my most respected brother, Slim Joe Black. Slim Joe Black. I greet you. I see you watch me here and I greet you. Sammy Imade, I greet you. Word of the World 5K, I greet you. I greet you all. I'm seeing you guys here. Morgan. Hey. The Morgan Diaspora Connect. Morgan Diaspora Connect. The only man where they know the film with for argument. Morgan, no, if you're not ready, if you're ready for you, go clear your doubt. Happy New Year to you, Morgan. Isowater Darlington. Happy New Year to you too. Francis Ikideru. Happy New Year. John Godwin. Happy New Year, bro. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Eric Trust. Happy New Year. Happy New Year to you guys. In fact, I sit down for ground because this one I need to balance well. Moku yarn, Moku discourse. It's an interactive session. I'm reading your message to reply. Yes, the truth of the matter is simple. I want to use this opportunity to tell us all the way forward in my business. We are on break. In fact, we ought to be in this break some 3 days back, but there was still some pocket of jobs. So we have to just do them because they came in as an emergency. We have to just do them. So we are going to resume officially on Tuesday. On Tuesday. But the point here is very simple. I so much love you guys. I so much appreciate you guys. You need to come and see. You see, if I open my WhatsApp for you, go shock. See different message. Hey, come. happily. See cause. So te ma agbawe, konyame. See the love. Money is not everything. When everybody cook for only you want, you know fit eat. But only you can't cook for everybody. You can't. You can't. So this evening video is not to talk about any story or to say that so this one do this one or not so this one. This video is an interactive video. Appreciation and the way forward. The way forward. Please click on your share button. Click on your share button. I'm seeing Usaze Omonsigo. I greet you, Usaze, my namesake. Piruk Moonlighting, I salute you. Victor Ehosa, I hail you. Angela Omoko, I hail you. Fredinoma, I salute you. Best, you are watching me. I salute you. All our supporters worldwide, we salute you. We're indeed very, very grateful for your efforts so far. Now, in 2021, man proposes, God disposes. I have no right to say this is what I want to do in 2021. Even if I do, it requires the endorsement and approval of our ubiquitous God. But what I can say is this: I do not need saga in 2021. 2021 is my year of focus, my year of hustle. In fact, it get the year we will reach for life. We know the work again. So now at this early age, Efosa Sophia, Osagede, I salute you. God sent Eis, I salute you. It get the level we will work reach for life. We will stop. So as we still young, so we want to hustle. This time will be the time to take the attack. I told some persons yesterday, I say, even to 11 o'clock, because like me, I know the entire church for New Year. Sorry to say. I believe in God, I serve God, I follow God, I do everything by God. But that New Year night where the whole world say they must go church, me not go. The whole world say, not church I want to enter. I have, since 2006, my last time when I entered church on New Year was in 2005. 2005, now I entered church last for New Year night. I know the doing. This is not to say I know the do my church activity normal. But you see that thing where the whole world, the rush do. Me, I know the do. But I still know say, this is not the time we will take to keep enmity and malice. Osifu, Osamoyi, I salute you. I'm seeing you. Honorable Noah Okundia. Thank you very much, my bro. Imalage, second son. You are a great man, my brother. You are a great man. I'm seeing you guys. Thank you very much. In fact, your supportive activities all through the year 2020, believe me, I so much appreciate them. Forget the fact, say, second son, they with my political opponent. But the truth is, when it comes to outside politics, the both of us have been friends while we were still in Nigeria. Myself, the likes of Kola Edukbaye, you, Mayu, and the rest of all. So, politics cannot divide us, and we want to say a very big thank you. I want to say a very big thank you to you. Collins, Obe, I salute you. This is an appreciation for all our supporters worldwide. We're indeed very grateful. The Sea of Oman, Edo State, year 2021. My dear brothers and sisters, We are committed. We are determined to serve you. But the truth of the matter is very simple. When we talk about serving you, I am the one serving you while you are helping me. Because the job that we are talking about, people are available everywhere that can do it. But you are concentrating your focus on me, and I enjoy you. I encourage you to keep it up. Now, this is a message to some persons. At times, when I don't receive call, I'm tired. Those people, some they call me, I know can't take again. Maybe when they come call me next time, they'll come say, comrade, if they're going to find you for food, you're going to hard though. Bros, I be more than your verse. Make una not just verse. Make una not leave me. Say you say because you call me, I not pick, you don't verse, you don't call me again. I beg. You see that your work, so when you want to give me so, it's too special. Derek, Yahweh, I salute you. Jerry, Iyalehwe, I salute you. James Peter, this is my brother James Peter. Today I never know him. You don't let me know him, but he's a very correct man. James Peter, I salute you. Don Eric Almaz, I repeat the salutation to you, my brother. You are too much. I'm grateful. Ivie Moma, I salute you. I salute you. Tina God's time. John, I salute you. Highest praise, I salute you. Thank you for watching. Please click on your share button. Click on your share button, please. So when these people go to call, I'll say, maybe I'm not comfortable. The next day, someone will call and say, come to get you for phone, and I say, come, my brothers and sisters. More than know your vessel. Make una no verse, I beg. Not let that one discourage you. You say because I won't give him again. He's so busy. No. I beg. Give me the work. Give me the work. I need that work. Seriously. Now year 2021 would day, so I need that work. In fact, the only time I wanted the rest this year 2021, now Saturday, now Sunday, not people Saturday. Sundays. From Monday to Fridays and half day Saturday, we'll keep working. We will keep working. Ken Omo, I salute you. Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year. So please, and if you are sitting somewhere and somebody is saying, this comrade, the way they do say that they call and not critique, or I don't verse on, I beg, help me encourage the person in no verse. Collins Osareme Igine, I salute you. Ehis Azu Bena, I salute you. Oh, my leader, Aransoma. Emma Ere, that's my leader, the most respected Aransoma. I salute you, bro. I salute you. Happy New Year, my leader. These are the kind of people when I see them, how they get discouraged. Ken Omo, my number is 070-3610-9939. 070-3610-9939. 080-7974-2172. The first one is WhatsApp. I say about that WhatsApp number, but that one I never put down for my head. Mascot. You are highly welcome, sir. Thank you for watching. Please click on your share button. Share this video, please. Share it. Just share it. It's an interactive session. Please share it. Agawa, Gibo, Mabel, you are welcome. Louis, you are welcome. Thank you, Mr. Ken. Thank you. A.B. Abraham, you are welcome. My leader, A.B. Abraham, the only man we say, the only man with it, as he like me, but if I just talk politics, he go run and tell me. He was one of my friends, like that. Akato. That Akato. Now, I know, he never really show himself, say, in a APC, man. But anything when anything where you talk, they come. Comrade, you have been campaigning for these people. Now, tell them to come out. Come. If you see fact to that guy will pull me seriously. And I so much appreciate him because if I know I appreciate him, maybe go verse the more they launch the war. And they hear that thing for body, they pepper, the guy they finish me. But I see this who follow. So I so much appreciate him. Abraham, my brother, my friend, I salute you too. You are a great man. Forget the fact that we have different political divide. Yes, I am a staunch and absolute supporter of His Excellency, Governor Godwin Obaseki. But that is not enough reason for men like you to become my enemy. Oh, Stanley, this is your name, man. Where you go put journal. Stanley Oseide. I don't accept this one. Now Stanley OJ. Go and check the dictionary meaning of Stanley. You get what not be English, not go name dictionary, just normal dictionary. You will not see Stanley, you will see Stanley knife. Stanley knife, a two-head sword, sharp knife, two-head. I never see Stanley way done one day. I know Sakwe no way they will be the first to do. Stanley OJ, I appreciate you. With a shine today you join. Now you make up. You not be God though, but God use you. You not be God, but God use you. Yourself, Kisley Mene, Okumbo, all the way from Australia. I say what would they do? When would they do struggle there for the election? At the first, so Obaseki not give money. Obaseki not regard me. At the first, Stanley Ojo will come with me. What's your problem? Hey, if they don't wish, if they just get small political light, you run committee for him, boss. No, I not tell you. No, if we just get small light, I don't come with. Boy, call this one, please. He talked to me. He helped. He give me code. He discussed with me. As we speak today. It will say I don't listen to Stanley OJ. I don't listen to Kisley Mene. I don't listen to my brother Okumbo all the way from Australia. And I don't listen to so many persons who call and advise me. My brother, for you to Toeka. Oh, Toeka. So my brother, Mr. Stanley OJ, I so much thank you. I thank you. You get well. When they talk this one, when they talk so. Who before know me before? I know they do CFO work way back. I know they get 6, I mean 8 in a month. Who know me? Nobody. Also, they talk for Facebook. That's who know me. But today, that is why one thing when I don't learn, and when I need to continue to learn, I mean God give me the wisdom and discernment to continue to learn this thing. I don't want to lean on my own understanding. I don't want to think that I know it all. I want to open my ears to advice. I will take the right one and I will throw away the ugly ones. Because I will say I don't listen. I will say I don't listen. I will say I don't listen. Abina Egosa Agwebo. Another strong supporter. You know the land that against you. He fight me, oh. He fight me when I accept Tokberian. That the guy hugged me with 2 hands. Today, Obaseki no fit give me money. You know, fit. But the money would they talk so. Through work and patronage, Edo people are giving it to me. Edo people are giving this job to me. Then they give, come every day they go to my, come every day you go to my waiting. Now God, not be man. So to be sincere with you, I get work for my hand now what I pray for. God, I beg. Not let me disappoint those who repose confidence on me. Na night we do so. We are sinful humans. We are imperfect. I know. But may God not allow me commit a willful sin. And may God not let me feel say, they don't already like me now. I can begin to misbehave. God, I beg. In fact, I want to make God cover my eyes. Make I not feel identify the good of it all. Say, now maybe this, may I not feel sure. Make I just use humility. They move on a daily basis. I dey fear to laugh person way blind you. I dey fear. I dey fear. Because nobody knows tomorrow. Now for both rich and poor. It's not peculiar to one person. You say, that one is not where I dey pay. May God sit down, you say, we were not the seed, the cray will be you. And you never finish it. I have seen people where they born blind, their eye open. I have seen those where they born with their eye clear, but today they are blind. Today they are blind. On normal lack before, I am always afraid. See, I don't understand one thing for life. Success is the most difficult and easy thing at the same time. It is in your hands. It is in your hands. Now let's take an example. Moku pray to God. God, I pray and I say pray for those watching me and those who don't watch me now. I pray. Make we not by ourselves use our hands pour our own good things. If somebody mash your shoe or you mash somebody's shoe, tell you, you don't mash my shoe. The most difficult thing for people to say, now sorry, but it feels change so many things. As I did so, I am glad that sorry not the heavy me. I have no enemies. I have no enemies. If you want to move in life, if you want to move forward in life, not look the next man. Face your reason. Face your race. Because when you are looking at the next man, you say you want to bring him down. You can't bring him down, you bring yourself down. You can't bring that man down. You are going to bring down your own self. Normally, every human being, jealous in the entire everybody mind. Every human being. But where you need God, now may God give you the ability to get self-control. The most respected Usas Igbinoma here, I salute you. Oliver, I salute you. Ehia Gwina, Amani. Stanley OJ, I beg you, my leader, I beg you. I will not fail, even if this man is not watching me here and is not on live with me. The most respected Zibiri Marvelous, the SSA to the governor on political matters, Zibiri Marvelous. I acknowledge you, sir. You are not watching me, but I must acknowledge you. The Secretary to the State Government, Barrister Saudin Ogie Esquire, I acknowledge you. My father, my leader, my boss, distinguished Senator Eye Edobo Zamiri, I acknowledge you. SSA to the Governor on Security and Surveillance, Ima Orupe, I acknowledge you. The SSA to the Governor on Political Matters, the most respected Cool Breeze, my leader from Ward 2, I acknowledge you. You guys are not watching me now. I cannot mention everybody. Easy Life, Use, all the way from Diaspora Connect, I acknowledge you. Balaka Singh, I acknowledge you. Olaye Sunday, I acknowledge you. World Ultimate Sky, I acknowledge you. Martins Itama Frank, Omo Kelly, I acknowledge you guys. I acknowledge you. So the truth of the matter is very simple. If you want to achieve your aim, allow the next man be. Jealousy, they come everybody's heart. But when you have self-control, your jealousy will transcend into proper jealousy, not improper one. Proper jealousy. Now, let's take an example. A friend of yours bought a car. That car, you not get to. You never buy. As your friend driver go, vroom, you see. Now your car be this. John, you for tell me now. Not be this type, is about this one, not be the good one. He get the one way past this one. And you not get tired. Bros Newton, I salute you. Patience, Omono, Ogbe. Ogbeide, I salute you. Thank you for watching. Please, if you have not shared, click your share. Please, click your share button. You never feel bad, tired. You know the shouting. Oh God, this one not good now. I ain't say your man. Emmy Lucas, Ugbeiwi, you are welcome. I salute you. Inside your mind, you know say that thing makes sense. But you want to trivialize it because jealousy won't kill you. That one is wrong. Now this is proper. I want to tell you what proper jealousy means. A friend of yours, now I just not talking about improper jealousy. Buy motor. See your call, you say, ha! Man, bro, say this your motto clear. It will make sense. May you still show me the way. Maybe which also, okay, what do you know if you do now? Which work we know if you work now? What I say the connect person? Bring yourself so low to ask, and it shall be given unto you. But there are some persons, they can't ask. 24 hours, they are sure that they up. Might tell you waiting naturally. I was born and brought up. Aaron Ofo, you are welcome. Ikechuku, you are welcome. Naturally, I was born and brought up as a Jehovah's Witness. I was breeded with the true quality of a Jehovah's Witness till I backslide when I was about 25, 26 years old. One of the qualities that they will teach you in Jehovah's Witness if you are born as a witness is humility. See, the best way they raise the hand up, they do like this. Other guys, they sing that song. Tell me why you dey boga, you dey boga, you dey boga, you dey carry shoulder. How many you don't have? How many you they carry along? Go? Now which one you they booga? You they carry shoulder up. How many you don't have? How many you they carry along? Go? If you want break record, go first your village. You they carry your shoulder up. You they booga. If somebody where they booga, they carry shoulder up. If he fall, they can't laugh when they will laugh. They can't laugh when they go laugh. Not blame the world when the world they laugh you. If you proud. Now you cause them. It's just like two girls feeding one street. Then everybody you know say, they'll say, Christiana, now say, they follow man. Joanne no they follow man, a very decent girl. If Christiana where they follow man carry belly, does say you don't carry belly, they arrest. But Joanne where they say no they follow man, if he carry belly, if she carry belly, na topic. Ije Joanne no why your church? Money, church, afternoon church, evening on it. Joanne look that our own will be talk of the town because she has been living in pretense. She has been living in pretense. Like me now said Yesu. I not get anything where they do right. Not but you know say we know if you talk for public. Not tell me. Assessing a personal your personal life. Say you come to say that John na bad person find way to follow. I may agree with you, but I will not take your statement. I will begin to observe if really John a bad person. You cannot, you know what you want to talk about, before you talk, I'm going to tell you. In this whole Nigeria, in fact, in the whole world, no politician can come out to tell you, say, I was fighting for my stomach. They can't tell you. I told you. I told you. I mean, nobody can tell you that. They'll tell you, say, we are fighting to make sure that the school infrastructure is zero. I told you that. I said I fought for my stomach. When I not see fat, when I not see the fat on my stomach, I still tell you. But the time when me not contain the fat on my stomach, now a people won't say that your stomach open up, take the infrastructure. As I say, you cannot be dashing me money, say take. But when you patronize me, you have dashed me money. That is truth. Because that same money, it just like somebody way. Yes, I surprised. The number of benefits when I don't see this is in me myself. So Gorish Aboki will get Kara. Where they sell for, where they sell cow. The first time when I come, I follow and back out. Now one woman for Canada, now I send us that money. We buy the cow, somebody will kill her. We kill the cow, we share her. I follow the guy by him. So I go the second time. One of my mama where they watch me now, I know I mention her name. We gotta go. We back out from the same man. The last time when I did do my anniversary, I went there. I said the back out, so I went back out. I come meet them the quarry. Now call this one, now call this one. The other one with the quarry there now my friend, down at Benima. He see me, he say, man, not follow this man back. And I say, no, relax. Any quarrel we get, we will need to resolve it. I leave the car when I come back. As we resolve the matter finish peacefully, I bought car from this man. The person way say make I not follow him back. Now me carry go take now kill the cow for me. I was shocked. I did my ass. I don't remember when my phone ring. Aboki. Alpha, hey, my brother, New Year don't they reach. Now say I greet you. He say, I beg, I want to give you chicken. I say, oh, thank you. He said, when are you coming? I say, okay, I will be there tomorrow. He said, no, I've changed my mind. I want to give you goats. Please come. I know what I'm going to say. And me, Aboki, want going to give goats. Well, I don't pass that stage. Which past stage? The next morning, they never break. Now, it be the first point of call. I reach the army. Alpha. I surprised. They had overcoat they give me. I say, make I thank them publicly. I did my house. I don't know see somebody they watch me. Now he call me, Mr. Johnson. Comrade, I see you they wear white can. For that, you need a safety shoe. Go to so and so place for medical. The safety shoe I already bring and come. Before I tell you now. I reach there. Now the boy mama hand over safety shoe give me. The boy mama not tight face say, why am I shake when you go give safety shoe to another people you get so and so. The boy mama peacefully handed over safety shoe to me. Somebody want to talk for comment box. He said it's safety shoe, they dash people for Europe. Are you celebrating safety shoe? Now, the question is, am I in Europe? No. They dash the person, for example. If he not dash me, I will kill him. No. So I owe that person not just a thank you, a laudable and a loyal thank you. A laudable and a loyal thank you. I do see offer for somebody. I give him a fine number. I don't know, say the person don't follow my back because when I do see offer for you, I give you your fine number so that you have access. You know everything where they go on as far as your CFO is concerned. Me not know say the man don't send person follow back. Go GIS with the fine number. May confirm. Now they tell them, say, my dear brother, your CFO application is going smoothly. We will soon call you for inspection. I did talk one day. I surprised. Oh, this is my real guy, OJ Chooks, Fred Luxon. Why I was protesting under Oshomole's government then, for them to come and tie Lucky Wiru. This Lucky Wiru was about to contest. Now we fight them. Myself, Yusuf Buhari, Fred Ugbefu Fred, and one other Austin from Lucky Wiru. My brother here, Fred Luxon, follow up with the whole event. Then, we have come a long way. Bro, I so much appreciate you. Thank you for using your data to watch me. Thank you very much. I really do appreciate it. So to be candid with you, my people, believe you me, it is now time for us to be grateful. It is time. All I want us to understand here is very simple. Cool your temper. Bring that your shoulder down. If your shoulder go up, if you fall, people will laugh you. As I did now, whether I get to, whether I not get to, my friend no talk of outsider. I cannot come. I don't feel come here going to sing myself praise anyway. We both say your characteristics are what you possess, and your reputation is what people say about you. My dear brothers and sisters, man, not go forget the main one. Do you see that work when they give me so? Na help. Na help. And if I tell you, say I don't appreciate, I lie. Free shoe. When my brother don't go confirm, he don't get details. I don't know. I did my one day when he called me. I just did Nigeria now. Okay, so where you me the bush because I quick say this one. I spend morning to evening. I spend time reach 6 o'clock for night for bush. From one location to another. So at times you might be calling me. They know go. It is I don't want to pick up. And WhatsApp they don't want it. Once you call, even if say network no dey, it will later go reflect say call come. I did bush to 4. Now live from 7 o'clock to 8. And when I don't reach that I can 8. I don't go for the year I don't sleep. I'll go wake up by 2 for night. Sometimes 3. Then I feel the talk for phone. The next thing is my all come you. Now they say, okay, pa, they come. Now they come off from bush. Leave them as staffs for bush. Me they go answer. So I reach there, bros. I they come. Wanna give me 1 minute, please. Yes. Sorry. I'm back. We talk with evidence. This was the shoe. Now one leg I bring on. Mr. Lugard brought. For those who know it be boy. This one an Italian shoe. If it not big for your own eye, because you see Italian shoe wear every day for where you day. But you see this one too. Now I replay big to me for my own eye. Because if not be this buy, this level where this man bring up for me, bros, forget it. Sister, forget it. Even if you get money, you might not even get this kind of quality. Now this man why I do see your fufu, now I bring this one. You see this safety shoe now, that's why it's dirty now. Eh? See say you know say someone don't enter grass where. I don't use those bush. Now I mean they even think you are a pull leg again. Every say snake there or masher. Courtesy Mr. Johnson. Now you give me this. This one way because when you cause safety shoes, so forget. I feel it's not vest come out so kind Sunday. You are going to look my leg. If you look my leg now, you sabi now. I use that for lat. I'll still say I dress. If you like to say, hey, now you sabi. I don't wear. They will the break most dark. Now somebody I go do survey for. He come from uptown. He carry back follow me. Me don't know what they happen. As we research, as I dey walk, now he tap me for back. Now he carry this shoe. Now he give me. If you look the shoe so, look how well. You know what it be shoe. In the year 2020. Now somebody dash me this one. They dash me good. What the fuck Morocco? I did my house with my phone ring. And my phone ring, boom. How far away you dey? I have been trying to get in touch with you, comrade, but I have not been able to get in touch. Oh, Mama, I salute you. Do well, Mama, I greet you. Go to so and so place. Go and tell them, go there, they will give you fish. Say, which fish? Say, they will give you, what's the name of this fish? Stockfish. I said, Mama, leave that matter, don't be stockfish. Now, Oporoko. Now, me know put. So, then when you say stockfish, the English name, the woman never drop call, me don't wrong. As we speak, Okporoko see the day my soup. You can imagine the number of Okporoko this woman packing. As we speak to date, no one, when I ask them, say, give me anything. Then you can say at the end of the day, and I will say thank you. If I refuse to say thank you, nobody on earth, even God said with the verse. Some persons might not celebrate this kind of thing. They say, because you did jammed. You the fish get all those things. But you see, whistle. I made a post one day, I say, even if no matter how intelligent you are, if you never travel come from Nigeria, forget it. Many people disagree. Some people say, there are some people where they are abroad, who they village better pass it. Yes. You know, say that people where they are abroad, where they are village. If you say their village, if for you be disaster. Abroad must refine you. Honestly, everybody get their separate level of intellect or wiseness. Everybody get different level. Person where go talk to recalcitrant to inside bush. If he comes to there abroad, they behave in the misbehave. You know, say to say now the bush he did, if for pass like that, now disaster it for be. Now disaster it for be. Ubaro Anene, I salute you. Michael Okundia, you are welcome. Natasha Usas, you are welcome. Ebegwe Ogiamie, you are welcome. Enogi Ayobai, you are welcome. Ebi Amayo, you are welcome. Josephine Agbontan, you are welcome. We are nothing much today. We just want to say a very big and beautiful, pleasant, happy New Year and a way forward for 2021. I cannot come here to tell you this. Morgan Okunobu, you are welcome, bro. My leader, my boss, I salute you. Don Nice, I greet you. Mundu Alasa, I salute you. I greet you, I greet you, I greet you. I so much appreciate you guys. So the truth of the matter is very simple. I know if you come out here, come tell you, say, in 2021, this is my agenda. No. But all I will say is, I am ready to hustle. Give me that job. Give me that job. My dear brothers and sisters, the very day you see and say I start to deform, hate me. Hate me. And I pray to God, may God not let anything enter my head. Abacha, Ubohu, I salute you. Onemama, Omorodion, I salute you. Vincent Dascent, you be man, and man you be boss. Ilo Bay Roland, Joshua Irabo, I salute you. Happy New Year. So as I was saying, all these things came. Goods, okporoku, shoes. Now phones you want to talk. Some men they bring. Some men they come like tell you side I salute you. Some men they come like they say, come brother, alpha. Till date. Where you there? I'll say where they will say, check for some location. For you they don't wear us. I will say, man, what did they saw? I don't think we have person like this. When they wear me, the next person when they come and see me, I believe they use Ogume. He asked. I believe because he said come weak. The question is who be normal level? More forget say we see that Ivy passed them. I salute you. Thank you very much for watching. Welcome. Now, forget say we see that I talk of it. Now, I'm broadcasting from my small parlor. Now, which other thing they call generosity? But people now around the world take the time to sit down and say they want to listen. They are listening. Apart from saying we talk on social media, which other thing does it? So if people they bless us, not because say we too sabi or we too good on our ways, we speak English or we not sabi speak English, or we talk or we not talk, we Hamson, we not Hamson, any high be. Not just God say man, mona see no. Brimo Ernest, Stella Alex Ekato. My leader, you are not watching me now. Ernest. That was one of my first clients. I'm Mr. Collins Osagi. My first ever client. To date, now Mr. Collins Osagi do New Year for me. Yes. Because the work way in give me do. I say get small tara for inside the work. In I to do cross order, I say I not go anywhere. Apart from today will be the New Year, the wash night, I not go anywhere. Because I know say that New Year wash night is very delicate. Enemy for everywhere. So man need to use sense. Exactly 8 o'clock I enter my I sleep. I received my friend call from America. Wish me happy New Year. Receive that call. Before I say me I now still sleeping in. As I wake up in the morning, my WhatsApp burst. They break everywhere burst. They break everywhere stew. They break everywhere pepper soup. Now do people run out. Ade Kenny. Igbinewa. I salute you. Prince Oze Omoze Pretty Destiny. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Thank you for watching. So in the year 2021 that we are already in, or last year, there were little hiccups. Saga, despite the fact that we were running away from Saga, it still came, but we ran away because, to be sincere with you, I cannot engage in Saga. The time we do Saga, don't partner when our children never grew. Maybe now somebody might be curious to say me carry chairs down. They say, no, your packet, your master, your passage. No, you go to the No, I can't do that. Sorry, I can't do that. So me and my picking one day, because internet will never forget. Internet will never forget. One day when I became gather with the friends, they do the group. They go brief for come and say, see your partner, they behave like this. This is your pastor, not the shame. So because of that alone, I need to build a better reputation for my kids, myself, so that tomorrow they're not going to feel marginalized my children anyway. So I don't want to engage in saga anymore. So please, if I offend you in any way, call it to my attention. Don't go and throw tantrum on Facebook. Because so and so person call on Osako. Later Osako replied. I don't want that, please. Let's do business. Let's do business. And let's think how we can be able to move Edo State forward, regardless of your political affiliation. I don't care about political affiliation, my dear brothers. He good me president, you sense so. Thank God for God. I have my reasons. Me when they follow bush to bush, they go. To say I can't just offend people totally like that to go. Bush to bush. I don't work out reach somewhere where I go do survey. As I reach there, everybody will there now pure. And all of them know say your baseki. But they know we take play the politics. Oh, sir, we don't want your fans. Yeah, my child, now, we have in the time to now move. What of it to say? I say, I leave who they campaign, go they insult them one after the other. You know those olden day statements where they say, I never catch you. Neither one be. I don't catch you. I don't catch you. Neither be. Rosso Sifo, you are welcome. Osaze Obano, you are welcome. Lucretia Faith, you are welcome. Josephine Usedeme Oshodi, you are highly welcome. I am glad that you guys are watching me tonight. I am saying a very big thank you. Please, 2021, let's avoid saga. And if you watch this media of it, social media, now only we, I don't want to mention tribe now, only our side, now you for the see. Now that what no, oh, my friend, oh, now let this up. What? That one alone, they fall our hand. It's not common. Some people can't go corner. And you can, one thing about the social media of it, you cannot decide who is watching you. You cannot, people just take corner, they have never made a single comment. They never comment one day. They go see you say the player don't know you, they will throw away. But they watch you all your activities. So if you misbehave on social media, you have to say that social media is the biggest platform in the world. That is why state media outlet, ITV, BS, AIT, all of them, CNN, every of them get their handle on social media. As I talk here now, somebody from America is watching, somebody from Saudi is watching, somebody from Ukraine is watching, somebody from Israel is watching, somebody from Oman is watching, somebody from Haiti is watching. In fact, the world is watching. Ojaga Eis, you are welcome. Kenny Good, you are welcome. Nosao Sazua, thank you very much for watching me, sir. You guys should patronize Osakono Kodi, the CEO, Stano Sadi Enterprise. Julius E. Raymond, you are highly welcome. I so much respect Mr. Julius, despite the fact that we are having disagreements sometimes politically. But one thing about you is that you are very friendly and accommodating. Sir, thank you very much, and I acknowledge your effort so far. Vico Itwa, Evas, I salute you, sir. Thank you very much for liking your boy. Osas Eddie, Michael Egioba, you are welcome. You are welcome. Ratty Best, Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Idahosa, Osaigi Jerry, thank you for your effort so far. My leader, Julius Simon, Boss. Idahosa Jerry Osaigi, thank you for using your data. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. So this is the much we can take today. But I just want you all to understand the fact that our consortium can only grow if and may God all of us fight to victory. May we never hate ourselves in Jesus' name. May we never hate ourselves in Jesus' name. I know if we go party, even if they invite me, you come or beg, you are cordially invited. Please come. I say, as you come, go carry the chair, sit down for front. Go sit down for high table. No. Even if you want yourself to sit on the high table, I prefer my day back when you call me, say, sit here. That I myself go sit down. They'll come tell me, say, go back, not be here, be your chair. Ah, wow. Now, parable, you are welcome. professional. I read urban and regional planning as a profession, and I deals mainly on land, including land surveying. My discipline as a professional town planner is multidisciplinary in nature. Very multidisciplinary. So laconic and direct to the point. I am into CFO application, building plan design, building plan approval, building construction, laying of curbs and interlocking ties, land survey, be it perimeter survey, platable survey, geodetic survey, cadastral survey, astronomical survey, topographical survey, any kind of survey you think of. Even if it is cadastral. Even if it is cadastral, geodetic, I am into such survey. I did not jump into it. I am a professional in the field. I paid my school fees, I read it, and I can tell you the historical antecedent of the CFO, the law backing it. In fact, let me not overblow the trumpet. Now that I've told you what I do, not for me to give myself, blow my trumpet. What I wanted is you just test me. So thank you very much, people. I am very, very grateful. Messages, oh, but wow, I hail, I dread, I not believe on it. I believe. Your I go clear. They know they tell a person. They tell a person. They tell a person. When my eye clear, they not tell a person. They tell a person. They know they tell a person. I not believe. The truth of the matter is simple. Agboya we mi no so we now. Ogo motiti o agboya we mi no so we now. Ogo motiti. Iwo go motiti na. Ogo motiti o edo. Ogo motiti o edo. Ogo motiti. Wado ni matweredo. Edo makere bado wado ni matweredo. Edo maye. Many people do this thing, but my own, the TT. I forfeit work. If not be you, we put hands together. Let me remove hair with this my hand for my beard. I can't. But man make her like this. The beard will pull. So it's a collaborative effort. Osakwinokwe cannot stand alone. It can never happen. Even if I come where you there, say, see this man just a pumpy chest. See this man just a pumpy chest. Not believe the matter day. I know if he stand alone, he can't walk. When you say they assume they say, go sit down there, me, style us. When you do okay. When you do okay, you bam, you say, you know me. Now maybe stand line, oh, Sakwinokwe momento. You know me, Osino. It's more headache who you as a human being. Next you see, Jesus Christ, if I feel well now, no try him again. Jesus, if I feel well, Jesus make me well. I can never act like this. I love you, God. As your way, you don't start again. Osakwinokwe momento. But little fever, you don't beg God. So even if I call you, make matter, you see me. No worry, I fit do it. You know me alone. No matter they are no fit, I can stand alone. Thank you very much for watching me. I remain my humble self, your number right activist, Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwino Hooding, saying Happy New Year and get yourself prepared for the task ahead. My number still remains 070-3610-9939. That's WhatsApp. Still have other WhatsApp number, but that one is the hook. You never enter this brain. So I don't want to go call Bobo a number, but I will try to edit this video and put it on top. You see, there's another WhatsApp number, then the direct number as well. But if you call this one, I want to tell you now, it's BID now, you know, clear. So I prefer you call the MTN and the other number we will pull later, as I did here now. That one I glue 080-7974-2172. If you just call me now without this one, you go say hello, you go ring, but I pick, we know the year with the talk because network of Glo not today this suburban area when I did. So that's the point. Thank you very much. Wesley Osarabo Ogagbon, my old-time friend, old-time party, you are welcome. DP, you are welcome. Chris Grana, you are welcome. Prince Ebo Joe, you are welcome. Thank you very much, you all, for watching. Don John, thank you very much. Osato, Shaba Moses, Tony Ogbebo, Ty Godwin, Inoma Emmanuel, and many more. Thank you very much for watching me. Good night and have a lovely rest. Happy New Year to you all. Bye for now.